Hello guys, good evening. Let's Mix TV nagbabalik. So, meron tayong kanta na practice na naman ngayon, no? So, ito ay luma. Title ng ating kanta ay Think I'm in Love Again by Sir Paul Anka. Yan. Ito ay classic, old at maganda. Maganda pakinggan. So, may chords na C sa intro, C, F, C, F, bali C at F 2 times. Yan. Yung strum natin, simple lang ha. Parang ganyan, no? Simple lang, di ba? Kayo na bahala dyan. Basta yung ginagamit kong strum ay simple lang para madaling masundan sa mga beginners yung nag-umpisa pa lang na mag-gitara. Pwedeng down o kayo na bahala dyan sa depende na yun sa tono na gusto nyo. Pero intro tayo, ulit tayo sa intro, no? See? Verse 1. Lapit ko lang yung camera ko. Here I go again, tripping on my feet. Lately it seems I've been being a foolish me. Mumble when I try to talk, stumble when I try to walk. Yun. Hanggang doon lang, baka makapiright tayo. Tapos diretso tayo. Like I'm in state of shock when I'm with you. G7. Here I go again, looking like a clown. Everything I say is wrong whenever you're around. Somehow it came to shine. I can look into your eyes. I came all apart inside when I'm with you. Yun yung ating verse 1. So dito tayo sa chorus. Yun. Sing I'm in love again, that silly grin. Look what I proved it. Think I'm in love again. I lost my mind. I do every time. Yes, I know all the signs. Being in love. Yun, chorus. Tapos verse 2. Yung verse 2, the same ang chord sa verse 1. I won't lie to you, I've been in love before, but I think that the one I've been waiting for. Been around me, but this time all this peace I've been. Something tells me this is it when I'm with you. Yo, verse 2. Balik ulit sa chorus. Think I'm in love again, darling, that silly grin. Look what I put in. Think I'm in love again. Lately I'm lost my mind. I do every time. Yes, I know all the signs. Being in love. balik sa chorus. Think I'm in love again, riding that silly green, look what I put in. Think I'm in love again, lately I'm lost my mind, and I do every time. Yes, I know all the signs, being in love. Ayun, ending. Yan, salamat sa pag-subscribe na aking channel.